morning, good people. For those of you that woke up with a chip on your shoulder this morning, it's time to be productive and do something about it.
It's Swag Gatsby's little princess.
And your boy Swag Gatsby. And we back with another video. Let's go.
I'm Gatsby.
Gas bomb. But everybody was asking where I got this tent from. It came from Harbor Freight. I should have got two of them, but you know, that car got a window in it. Right, straight up. Damn, man. And then you broke my damn water hose. Oh my God. See, this is why it's not good to have dogs just roaming around. You know what I'm saying? Shit everywhere. So, gotta leave these outside. Yeah, we was gonna take it to the car wash and put it on some jack stands at the car wash. We might still be able to do that, but in the meantime, between time, I got.
Bring the jack to that bar, the cross bar.
Yeah.
Hit front back. You know what I'm saying?
But how we gonna get there? The blinkers and shit don't work.
I got a piece of plastic that says I got a driver's license. Hey, hand signals.
Right. Damn it. What, these bungee cords? Yeah. I was just gonna go ahead and put a windshield in it, but that ain't gonna make no sense. I need to get this tent off of here though.
I'll replace the windshield in the Oakman because it needs one anyway. I'll replace the windshield in that. We'll have them put the old one in there.
Oh, hell no, I'm putting new shit in this motherfucker. Nah, I don't want to put no window in it because I don't know which route I'm taking with it as far as that shit go. I might have to get them to rebuild a whole nother dashboard. Yeah, you can leave. Just put it in the front of the car. Oh, shit. Man, I'm in here watching Pimp My Ride, man. You know, had to take it on back, baby. I got the tag in there, too. Yeah. Take this motherfucking bullshit ass camera off of here. What we're talking about cameras, man. We had cameras back in before it was cool to have cameras.
All right.
Hey, the motherfucker got on the in my comments like, man, you need to tell Cuz to come over more often. That boy ignorant. Go ahead, do your thug thing. We about to pull this thing out, man, and get some work done. Try to get some work done, because I know he a busy man, you dig what I'm saying? But If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I'm dropping these videos. You did. But here we go. Let's go. We got shift, baby. People, so we got the car out. We trying to make a decision on do we want to take it to the car wash and spray up under the bottom, but we put that tag on there, man. Look at that, man. That mower's gonna look so good on that white. It's all good though. We gotta work with what we got. You dig? Yeah, the seat look like it's up farther now.
Because in the back on it's optical illusion.
Yeah, it is. It definitely is.
I think anyway. Sounds good.
So what's the move? Right here, you ain't dropping nowhere. It's on the back of the trunk.
I did drop it, but I picked it back up.
Ah, look, check him out. Yeah, man, we trying to get some of this damn sawdust off this motherfucking car, man, or off the bottom of the car. But I was looking at the comments and somebody was saying that rubberized coating shit hold water and causes rust. You like it? So I'm like, damn, do I want to spray this motherfucker, spray the bottom of this motherfucker? Do that switch even work?
Ospo.
I don't know. I think he said something about Ospo. I ain't for sure though. The switch don't work. Is it even? It ain't even hooked up. See, they cut all my shit up. Look at this shit, man. All this shit was brand new. All this shit was brand new. My poor damn car, man. It's gonna be a long road. I'm replacing shit that I ain't even gotta replace. Watch. They took everything out my damn door. What the fuck is this? What is that? Oh, look at that. What is that? Some type of clay shit, man. Luckily, it wasn't no animal. Oh, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. The more I look at it, the more discouraged I get. I ain't gonna let that stop me, though. I'm gonna keep it moving, man. But yeah, man, we about to, to make him feel better, I'm gonna jump in this car and, you know, we gonna go up there and jack this thing up and spray that thing down, man. I got some goop off or whatever to get this tape shit off there. I had to tape everything up. But we about to get it together, man. Let's go. Uh-oh, we might got action. To the tent coming off. Listen to our sound. Uh-oh. Go ahead and rig me up, baby. Yeah, we taking that 10 off anyway. I said, I'm taking that 10 off anyway. Man, you ready to smash out? Black tape in there. WD-40. All right, well, look, we about to jump in traffic, man. Hey, I need you to tuck them wires too if you can. Where am I putting that jack at? Huh? Go ahead. What's it? I got the thing in there. When you get in there, just hook it onto the door and jack it. Let me grab the tape. But yeah, man, like I say, this video, I'm just bringing y'all, I'm doing something to the car, so I'm gonna bring it to y'all. You see what I'm saying? But we about to get in traffic. We're gonna try to make this easy, so I'm gonna go to the car wash And we probably gonna put the car on jack stands. Bro, what the hell?
Jump in the watch?
Yeah. What the fuck? Well, all right, we're gonna jump in traffic and get back with y'all in a minute. Let's go. Alright, good people, so we pulled over because I noticed the wires was still hanging. I don't need them motherfuckers to burn up. You might want to pop the trunk. Them need to go back up in the trunk. Cause that's to that digital shit. Them digital tail lights. Still got the spare in there, man. Come on, spare with the jack. Come on, man. Why y'all do me like this? That thing low. I might need to go to the gas station. We good? Yeah, the speakers, they ain't take the speakers. Them a little cheaper. It's a Scar. That's a Scar amp, though. Yeah, it's Alpine and some more shit in there. All right, we about to get back on the road. Let's go. Hold on. I'm following you. Okay. I just had to get it in regular time. I don't know if y'all can hear it. At least my third brake light still work. But yeah, man, no matter how bad things may seem, listen to it. Ooh, she sound like a kitten. Cracker. No matter how bad things may seem, man, it ain't the end of the world. As long as God put breath in your lungs, man, to breathe, you got another chance at it. So just take that. You know, any day above, any day on this side of the dirt is a good one. Ooh, that thing sounds good. Any day on this side of the dirt is a good one, man. So it don't make no sense to complain about nothing because that ain't gonna do nothing. Just thank God that He woke you up. Every day you wake up is another chance. Ooh, that thing sounds so good. Lord Jesus, it do something to me, baby. You did. But yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so y'all know when I'm dropping these videos. Look at that thing. That tag look good. Just imagine if it was white. Oh my God. Just imagine if it was white. That thing sounds too good. That thing sounds too good. But yeah, we about to pull up. This and that. Yeah. Don't worry, baby. We about to get you all the way back right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I see you acting. I can't do all that in this. I gotta. Oh, shit. Man, let me turn you. Let's get these cars situated and I'm gonna turn y'all back on. Let's go. All right, we about to get it started, baby. As you can see, we got it up. We ain't gonna slow roll this. We gonna speed y'all up. Let y'all see what's going on. Let's go. All right, good people. We did the best that we can with what we got. So that's what it is. We pretty much got it kind of clean. I'm gonna take all that when Ike come back. I'm gonna take all that shit off of there anyway, and clean it up and replace whatever I need to replace, and we gonna go from there. But yeah, man. Shit. Look at my shit. All that shit was brand new, bro. All that shit was brand new. But it's all good. We gonna get back. We gonna definitely get back. Minor setback for a major comeback. Yeah. We gonna go get some goop. But what's that shit called? Goop be gone or some shit? Goop off. But yeah, man, that's what's going on, man. And we gonna get back to this crib. And there was something else we was supposed to be doing, but I guess we'll figure it out. I gotta snatch that tent off of there. We gonna go from there. Let's go. Never mind the wind. Good people, so we made it to AutoZone, and we about to see what we can find in here, man. But she running good, man. Yeah, I took it to a shop in Orlando, and they stripped my car, man.
Oh my God.
Yep, they were supposed to have been doing a whole bunch of shit to it, and this is a whole bunch of shit that they did. If you catch my drift.
Dude, this was a smoking car, man.
Man, if you would have seen it when I took it down there.
Dude, that pisses me off.
Man.
Oh, man.
See what I'm saying? People already know what's going on, man. I do YouTube, by the way. My name's Swag Gatsby, brother. If you ain't familiar with my channel, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Nice to meet you. What was it again?
Swag Gatsby. I ain't got no cars.
Swag Gatsby.
Yep.
Swag Gatsby.
Like the Great Gatsby.
The Great Gatsby.
Yeah, leave it
All right,
all together. Man, check me out. But yeah, I did the whole build on this one. I wasn't done with it. Somebody's supposed to be coming to get it, but this was my dream car. I put a whole bunch of money in this motherfucker, and they stripped my whole car down. I guess they took everything they needed off of it. I got my car back.
Want to look at it?
Man, go ahead, shit. You can't. What you gonna take?
Fine, man. You got some fine cars, sir.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah.
We gonna get it. Yeah, they did me bad.
I see the seat's so nice.
It would have been. It definitely would have been, but that's the only thing they did was put the wood in here and stuff.
You see the before pictures?
If you see, you see the before pictures. It ain't had a scratch on it. It hurt my heart, man. My heart. Yeah, it's broke. The dash is broke. The car, they respect that mud, whether it's put together or not. They respect it, man, you know? It is what it is. Them things would have looked good next to each other. They would have looked good next to each other, man. But you know, every dog has his day. I mean that. I definitely mean that. Yeah, we're gonna stay positive about it. We're gonna keep it pushing. I keep on repeating myself because I'm really like, I'm hurt. I'm hurt.
That's a race car. That's a race car right there.
I actually don't know what we going in here to get, but that's it? We don't need nothing else?
Man, that pisses me off.
We don't need nothing else?
Exercise pushing my luck out, yeah.
Right.
I like that.
Right. Come on,
Great
man.
Gatsby. Great Gatsby.
Swag Gatsby.
Swag Gatsby.
Yeah, Swag Gatsby.
I want to make like a card money chain. I'm really card.
Yeah, man, go check me out, man. You need some help? I'll definitely help you out, free of charge.
Hey, cheap connection.
What's going on? Okay, let's see what they got in here for us today. We'll put some Rain-X on the window if we had one. That's it. Grab it. Get up out of here, baby. Need one of these too. I know, right? Shit high up here.
No, you come out and get it off for us?
Right, straight up. Let me see what I got that thing, the bucket too. I ain't gonna do all that. I do need a can of paint though. Well, I ain't got the pieces. If I ain't worried about it. We need some screws, man. Yeah, I wasn't thinking about it. I was too busy trying to get you to come to the house. But I need some screws though. For the I need some screws for the pieces. I need to put a rear view. Oh, they got a rear view mirror right here. You think this will go?
You got the adhesive?
I don't think so.
See, they got the.
Oh yeah. I should put that mug in the car, huh? They got a big one for $16. Oh, it go on your old, on the old.
Yeah.
Nice. Fuck that. Come on, let's go. Oh yeah, see? You know which ones we need? I don't give a damn what color they is. So we always coming in here picking up shit that we don't need, man. I need them screws, though. Just looking at me now. Whoa, where you at, bro? We need you, man. Need the last, man. I'm about to call them real quick. He's just standing around. Watch he don't answer the phone. He called me too. Yeah, man. Y'all make sure y'all share this video. Well, share the other videos. Share all the videos, man. Whoa, ain't answering. I don't think I'm acting stupid in this car, in this phone, in this card phone, everywhere. Alright. Okay. But we gonna get back with y'all when we get back to the house. I think we open. We're gonna get back with y'all when we get to the house. We're gonna pay for this stuff. Try to clean some of this stuff off of this car. And that's what's going on. Let's go. Alright, good people. So we left up out the stove, man. And we about to try to get something done. We ain't doing too much of nothing, but we about to try to get something done, man. But look, I'm gonna say this, man. When you're going through a hard time will definitely tell you who your friends is or who your family is or whatever, man, because that family shit is overrated. Love is a 4-letter word that deceives the air. You can love anything. Shit, I love this car, you know what I'm saying? But when you really love something or somebody, the word, it's not a word that can describe the feeling. So don't be so quick to say, oh, that's my family or that's my bro or that's my, you know what I'm saying? Because that shit don't mean nothing, man. When somebody fuck with you, they fuck with you. It don't matter what you got or what you want. They gonna be there for you through thick and thin. But the ones that ain't there, you need to leave them behind, you know? And I've been going through a little situation, man, and I want everybody that's been following me, and I want everybody that jumped in the comment section and had something to say positive, man. I want to thank y'all, man, for just being there. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't know how much that shit mean to me or how much it meant to me just to, you know, get the positive feedback from y'all and just reading y'all comments, man. It was putting a smile on my face because if you love this shit the way I love this shit, you definitely can feel the hurt. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. I got my car back, man. And and we about to get in traffic. We about to get back to the house, and we gonna try to do whatever we can to this motherfucker and get it right and get it to the next stage. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so y'all know when I'm dropping these videos. I'm gonna keep saying that over and over again until we get to where we trying to go. You dig? Well, yeah, we about to do that, and we gonna turn y'all back on when we get to the crib. Let's go. Who said it wasn't good people in the world, man? I don't know this man from a can of paint, man, and he helping us wipe this stuff off the car, man. That's a good dude. I definitely appreciate it, man. Say shout out to Swag Gashby, man.
Shout out to Swag.
Yes, sir. Make sure you buy, man. You work up here?
I just wait on my mom to come pick me up. I got a pack of cigarettes from the store.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. I was gonna say I'll come back up here and bring you a car. What you got a phone? Oh, I'll write it down for you.
I'm trying to get a laptop.
Right, most definitely. This shit coming right off though. It came off the window. You literally just put that stuff on, let it sit, and it wipe right off. Yeah, my man, I had to get my man helping us out, man. I had to get him. That junk coming right off too. No razor blade or nothing. Oh man. We gonna get her back to her glory though. But I just want, hold on, show them how that shit works, man. We might get a sponsor or something. Whoop, there it is. Ooh. Oh, we gone, baby. We gone, baby. Whoop, there it is. Goo gone for real. Yeah.
Another unofficial sponsor.
Right. All right, well look, we about to jump in traffic and get up out of here. I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to the house, for real this time. Let's go.
Hey. Gotta redo that.
Just trying to work out all the kinks in this motherfucker, man. It's piled up too high. I don't know why, but y'all can see it's coming together pretty good. G Blanco, baby. Yeah, you can go ahead and pull that motherfucker in now. I don't know why it's piled up too high. Oh, you can put it in? Nah, you ain't gotta bag it in. Oh, you wanna drive this motherfucker now? Right? Yo, that motherfucker was just slide. Oh, you burning rut. You slide. Good shifter cable, messing the yard up. Yeah, man, let's see. The police will be over here in a minute. But these guys be working on their cars, they know, so I hope they don't say nothing. But if they do, hey man, we working on the car, man. But yeah, man, I know this video wasn't much, but I'm gonna conclude the video. Ain't no sun out, but shit was getting in my eyes and all type of shit. I'm gonna conclude this video, man. You new to the channel or you just here watching, man, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so y'all know when I'm dropping these videos. We got a shifter cable. We flushed all the fluids except for the power steering fluid and the brake fluid. So that's gonna be next. And then we gonna see where we go from there, man. But we just working all the kinks out. I don't know why the car piled up so high, but the car just been sitting up, man. So y'all know how I go, man. But like I say, man, don't let nothing stop you from doing what it is you trying to do or where you trying to go. If it do, run it over. Always trust your process. Bet on yourself at all times, and you will never lose. But with that being said, God first, family second, money third. We out.
I'm Gats.